and goes down.
Well, we've got this valve. We've got to figure out how that three-way valve works with the pump right here. But you can see we've got a little bitty strainer right there, which I don't think is appropriate for a bilge pump. I can unscrew it, and it's missing the strainer. There's no strainer inside of here. There's a little bitty strainer. And you see why you want the strainer? To catch trash like that. In fact, this trash is actually what's left of the rubber O-ring gasket. So I'll just put this back together. There's no O-ring in here. I'll put that back together.
I wonder if they just quit using it and put that other one in there and
well,
needs it in there, don't it?
It's a possibility, but you see this thing here.
Where's that go? Is that going out?
There you go.
No, that's just the pickup.
That's the pickup. That's the pickup for the water. Now I've made it muddy. Can't see now.
Right.
So this is another bilge alarm. This is a bilge pump float switch. And that bilge pump's running. And it's got some debris right here. And it's got a strainer built into the bottom of it. It's got a red strainer built into the bottom.
So how do we know if that alarm works?
Push the button.
I hear something.
I hear...
It's up top.
Is it on the fly bridge?
Yeah.
Okay, I would prefer to have it in the stateroom, the bedroom. So that way it'll wake you up in the middle of the night. But...
I hear it.
It's on top.
So we can hear it, so we know it's working.
Okay.
I would just relocate the audible alarm to where you're sleeping instead of up on the fly bridge. Or if there's enough energy, you can do both. So if it's on the fly bridge and you're away from the boat, the marina management can hear it.
Yeah.
Okay, this other weird thing right here, this T-handle,
Yeah.
that's called a garboard strain or drain. So you can unscrew that. The ocean will come rushing in. Or if you're in dry dock over the winter, like say you're up in Chicago or something, you put it away for winter storage, you'd open that so if any rainwater gets in here, it goes out. That's called a garboard plug.
Okay.
So we need to find out what this is about, and we need to find out how to turn it on and off. We've got two wires right here, and the wires are going somewhere up on the dashboard, so I don't know what they're for.
You have anything up there, Patrick?
Yeah, I got a bilge pump auto or manual.
But that would be this one, auto or manual. Leave it on auto all the time.
Yeah.
This is your depth gauge. So that's where the sending unit sends the sound waves down to the seafloor and back up. That's where the depth gauge is.
Doesn't work.
Doesn't work, okay.
Doesn't have anything on it actually.
The boat doesn't.
Oh, there's no indicator. It's gone. Like the screen is gone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.